In the meantime, the Jamaica Labour Party JLP has its eyes set on the People's National Party PNP stronghold of Portland Eastern. The JLP believes a seat can come into play in the next general election, and last night presented Anne-Marie Vaz, the wife of Portland Western MP Darrell Vaz, as the one to turn around the 2,000-vote majority the PNP won it by in 2016. She was presented at a JLP meeting in Port Antonio. TVJ's O'Shane Masters has this primetime news report.
For 30 years, the PNP has had this seat. I think it is just now right and ripe for change.
Leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP Andrew Holness, calling for a change in East Portland as a battle for that seat gets heated. The constituency has had a PNP Member of Parliament for the past 29 years, with Linvale Bloomfield being the current MP. But Anne-Marie Vaz, the wife of West Portland Member of Parliament Darrell Vaz, is now offering herself as a JLP replacement. Party leader Andrew Holness welcomed the decision.
I am very proud to endorse her and present her to you tonight as your candidate for Eastern Portland.
In spite of the constituency's long-standing PNP history, Mr. Holness says he is confident that Mrs. Vaz will be victorious when the next general election is called.
I am sure Anne-Marie will change the seat. I am sure she will win the seat. And she will win the seat by winning your heart. She will win the seat by gaining your trust and your confidence. She will win the seat by caring for your needs. She will win the seat by building a partnership between you and herself to uplift the community.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.